Hey guys, here are the four best commercial web scraping tools. I'm not affiliated with any of them. I don't even have affiliate links to them. I have something else to sell you at the end of it. As you can tell, I am the founder of ProxiesAPI.com. And let's just go through this quickly. Octopus, it offers a visual point-and-click web scraping tool. So it's a no-code. It supports Ajax and JavaScript rendering, supports infinite scrolling, forms, etc. So if you have a no development support and you want a quick but scalable solution, I think these are the guys to go with. They have a cloud service where you can host and schedule all the scraping jobs. So it doesn't have to be tied to your particular computer. And they also offer layman-friendly export formats like Excel, CSV. They also, if you have an in-house developer who can use the endpoints and get the API for other reasons, you can use it. So this is useful even if you have a development team, but you can't spare them, and you're willing to shell out some money. Check out octopus.com. Parsehub offers a desktop app that makes scraping very visual, point and click. It supports multiple pages, Ajax, as the previous one, Octopus, form submission, drop downs, export into JSON, as well as API and Excel, of course. More or less similar. Parsecom. Dipwad is different because they claim to use artificial intelligence to scrape data from annoying websites. You can set up, you know, different crawlers, different websites. They have a ready database that you can. So this is where they differ. They download a lot of the database of the web and keep it ready for you. So you don't have to. You have no time lag whatsoever. I think the big ones is what they do. So for example, if you want Yelp, I think you can just kind of get information about businesses across the US by just querying it directly. So this is ready-made data which has gone through the rigmarole and also probably sanitized and kept up to date. Um, Quite useful if it works for you. Mhm. They also have just a pure crawler service for simply crawling thousands of websites, which you can use. So it's like a um, there are I think three services in one. Right? Sorry about that. Difficult, therefore suitable for enterprise level customers who want to create really high scale web crawlers and scrapers without getting into coding. Mozinda competes with Dipwad, but they go even higher, right? They go really into the enterprise space. Dipwad actually competes just below that, large businesses, but not quite enterprise. I've been told. Right? You can scrape text, images, PDF, and other content. Simple point-and-click feature allows all sorts of exports. Not sure if they use artificial intelligence, but check out Zinda. All of these guys who we work well with, because all of these, if you really want to scale, you would need a rotating proxy service, and Proxies API um, is one of the best, I would say. And here's how it works. It's as simple as this. You can just by calling this one endpoint, so you can integrate this instead of giving your URL directly, you can give it to the previous services I talked about. A URL modified like this, where you're gonna call our endpoint and pass the URL to it using an API key, and we on your behalf pass it, route it through millions of proxies, rotate it, retry it automatically behind the scenes till you get your data, solve captchas, render content, handle sessions, handle um, cookies if you need to, if needed. What else do we do? All of these things um, we do, and rotating user agent strings so that you know you don't get IP blocked. All of these things we do with one single endpoint, API endpoint. So it's completely headache proof. In fact, you can just try this, get your API key in 2 minutes without a credit card, and try a challenging URL with us. Give us a toughie, see if we fare well. All right. Thank you very much, guys.